ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Let us start with the event. So I would like the chief guest, Dr. Bartesh Sir Rao sir, to please come on the dais. And Mr. Sumant Narayan sir, please. Shweta Sumant Narayan ma'am, please come on the dais. Thank you very much. So as you know, Self Academy has one thing. Every day we send the positive mantra to everyone. So let us start with a positive mantra. Inspiration comes within yourself. One has to be positive. When you're positive, good things happen and we learn. With the positive mantra, let us start the program with lighting of the lamp. I request Ms. Pratibha ma'am and Deepa ma'am to come on the dais for the invocation song. And request our chief guest to light the lamp.
ತನುವನು ತಣಿಸಲಿ ತವ ಸುರಗಾನವು ತನುವನ ತಣಿಸಲಿ ಬಾತಾಯೇ ಬಾ ಶಾರದೆ ಶಾರದೆ ಬಾತಾಯೇ ಬಾ ಶಾರದೆ ಶಾರದೆ ಶಾರದೆ.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Lakshmi ma'am to present welcome speech. So,
I would like to welcome you all for today's event. I am Lakshmi Sandeep. On behalf of Self Academy, I would extend my warm welcome to all of you, our chief guests, Mr. Sumant Narayan and Mrs. Shweta Sumant and Dr. Bartesh sir for this event, Elixir 2023, on behalf of Self Academy. Yeah. Sir, we welcome you for Elixir 2023. Thank you for gracing the occasion, and I would request Team Self to facilitate with a small token of appreciation. Mrs. Shweta Sumant, the principal of Shantiniketana group of institutions, is an extremely passionate educator with an experience of over 15 years. Madam, we welcome you for Elixir 2023. Thank you for gracing the occasion. Dr. Bartesh Rao, he is an MCOM, LLB, MBA, MPhil, PhD holder. Thanks for gracing the occasion. Thank you so much. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to speak in the occasion. Thank you so much.
Can I kindly request Sumant sir and Shweta ma'am to address the occasion? Yeah, there are a few inspiring words. Please share it with us. Thank you.
good morning to everyone present here, and even good morning to the dignitaries who are present on the dais too.
You have learned certain things, but maybe in a wrong way. You have to unlearn and then relearn. That becomes a double work, and it's a difficult task for you, right? But those who have not, already you had a bit of knowledge, and then you joined the course, I think it would have helped you.
So it is so vital, which is very important in a career.
Who has completed basic self course, please kindly come on the stage, ma'am.
Bangalore. I am currently pursuing BCom in Gupta College. I would like to share my experience with Self Academy. Before joining this course, I was very shyness person. I don't know the basic English also. One of my professor, Srividya ma'am, suggested Shilpa ma'am course to join for learning speaking English fluently. After joining this course, I have learnt confidence and motivation from Shilpa ma'am, and I know then only I came to know the meaning of believe in yourself because of Shilpa ma'am class. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
My name is Yogendra Kumar Srivastav. I am working as a project manager. I am from Kolkata. 2 and 3 months back joined the Shilpa ma'am class. Lot of confidence and you can say positive thoughts as coming from these classes, and today I am came from Kolkata only for Shilpa ma'am in this class. Thank you.
Very happy to be part of this Self Academy event. After joining the Self Academy, I have gained more confidence, and I'm happy to be part of the Self Academy for the my lifetime, because I have got many positive vibes after joining the Self Academy, and I have got very good friends also. And every day we feel that more motivated after speaking with Shilpa madam in the class during the class time, and after we like watching the videos also, we'll get more motivated, and we feel that definitely we can do. We can learn English and we can speak English more effectively. So this has made me confident more, and I'm happy to be part of this event today. Thank you so much.
ಮಾತಾಡ್ದೆ ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸಾರಿ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಮೆನಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. Because before this I joined Vita Academy to learn to speak in English. But then I didn't speak because the reason is very simple. That time I got friends, only local friends. That is why I used to speak in Kannada only. That is why I didn't learn Kannada how to speak in English. Now, when I joined Shilpa Ma'am's course Self Academy, I got friends throughout the India. Inevitably, I have to speak with them in English only. That is why I am confidently speaking in English to all my friends. Every day I used to speak. I am speaking at least 10 minutes with all. That is why I am confidently speaking now. Thank you.
Very warm good morning to all the dignitaries and the dais and my dear friends. I am Amalu. I came from Hyderabad. I am working as a subdivisional engineer at BSNL for 23 years. I did my post-graduation MTech from SP University. I joined Self Academy because I know English. I knew English, but the thing is, whenever like public speaking or in front of my office colleagues, I could not able to speak fluently in English. That like fear, I used to face lot of fear. So after seeing YouTube videos, I joined Self Academy under the leadership of Shilpa ma'am. I got lot of confidence mainly from this institute. Even now, if you want to come, from Hyderabad to Bangalore, if you join any course, spending some amount, we think once or twice whether it is like okay, can we get anything out of from that? But immediately after listening to this event, Elixir, without any second thought, I like to join this event because to meet Shilpa ma'am and Srinivas sir. They maintain lot of cordial relationship, and we are very fond of them, like all the participants, not only myself. They made us like very in comfortable zone, and they taught how cordial one should be. Like they taught more English, more like as a speaker, one of the speakers said, they taught us how to be good human beings rather than learning English. In that way, we are very happy to meet you, sir. So I am so happy and very blissful to meet you, all of you, and the dignitaries and the dais. We hear a lot of inspiring words from you all, sir. Though we know it, once again we heard that we got some inspiration. Every day Shilpa ma'am used to say the same thing what you all conveyed today. So we love to hear from all of you. Very happy to see you, ma'am. Thank you so much, friends.
Good afternoon to you all. Actually, it is surprising me. Just recently I joined Self Academy. Earlier I wanted to join, but due to my business schedule I couldn't join. Here now I am receiving my certificate also, and the approach and togetherness, taking longingness is I liked very much. And She's very adjustable. Uh, Even though we are having so many things in our day-to-day schedule, we are going with Self Academy. Thank you for opportunity. Thank you, ma'am. After that, after 13 years, I'll speak about the public. With confident, I'm speak 2010 in my mother language in Tamil. So I got, I'm only thinking I got first prize. But after 13 years, I'm speaking in English. In all those credit that goes to Shilpa ma'am in the Self Academy. Okay. My backbone is my Self Academy. Next year, I will come in the same stage in full confidence and speak. I know my self. I can. Yes, I can. And thank you. Thank you.
Here in Bangalore. The moment he approached me, he had so much of determination. Ma'am, నేను నేర్చుకోవాలా, నేను మాట్లాడాలి ఇంగ్లీష్లో అని. Today he's going to talk to all of you. Come.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to introduce. My name is Venkata Guruvaya. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am currently pursuing MCA in MC College in Bangalore. Initially, I was skeptical and had little confidence in learning English language. But after joining the Self Academy class, I will be able to learn this language is very comfortable. This was all possible due to Shilpa ma'am. Thank you so much.
See, a person who doesn't come out of the shell, who doesn't talk to anybody, who is away from his house, it's very tough, you know. Suddenly you get an opportunity to talk. You are not even talking to your friends, to people. He used to tell me, I can't look into anybody's eyes and speak, man. And today he has gained this much of confidence. Well done. Thank you so much. Wonderful. Well done to all my participants. Kudos. Big round of applause. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Ma'am to come on the stage and take over the session, and please energize yourself, get in more energy for such a beautiful interaction.
We are going to make you feel that yes, you can. It's not only about English. Anything, whatever you want to achieve in life. Tumba dud beka, tumba rich agbeka, 1 koti beka. Yes, you can. It's possible to achieve. You want a lot of happiness, abundant happiness. Yeah, you can. You want excellent relationships in your life? You want everybody to be very happy talking to you? Yes, you can achieve it.
Now, I always think about what can we get, how do we really achieve success in life? Okay, how do we achieve success in life? How do we transform ourselves? What is the real meaning of transformation? What are the areas in which we need to transform? And what does it really take to transform oneself, right? So, and I think in that process, the Self Academy was created, SELF. Self as an academy was created to, it started off for, helping people to train in English, which is speak English language fluently, SELF. Self started off from that point. But when we went deeper into the concept of self, who are we as self, and what do we need to know about ourself? Have we understood ourself? What are our limitations of ourself? How do we overcome these limitations? The self word itself became such a big mind to me, and that is also the other deeper aspect of self here.
Cheers to all the wonderful team members. I would love to invite all the volunteer team, and we would love to appreciate them through a round of applause. Deepa, Pratibha, and Bharti, Pallavi, everybody please come on stage. Lakshmi, some of you have left, and who is the man behind me?
Thank you so much for such a wonderful session. Let's have a big thunderous applause. We're going to have more such motivational sessions. Okay, so we've come to the end of all the programs. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time today. And people who want to take it forward can contact me. You all have my number. If you don't have, please note down. It's 7019164449. Yeah, 7019164449. My number is displayed there. So you can get in touch with me on WhatsApp. We will conduct online Zoom sessions. If you want to know more about it, please spread the word. Give it to your friends as well. So as we thank you all once again to the lovely participants who have been so patient. So did you have some takeaways? Did you find it valuable today? Yeah. Did you have the aha moment, wow moment?
Very much.
Yeah. So can I listen to that aha from everybody?
Wow.
Aha. Aha.
Aha.
Once more.
Aha.
Wow.
Wow.
All right. 3 claps and we will disperse.